Smells delicious. Time for breakfast. Good morning, sleepyhead. Wow, breakfast looks amazing. I'm glad you like it. Now eat up, champ.
Time for breakfast, Biscuit.
Arf, arf. Good boy.
Aw, he's so happy. Biscuit, what are you doing?
Come back here, sweetie. What's out there?
Biscuit, where are you? Come home, boy.
Mom, Dad, you have to see this. Something's outside the door.
What's wrong?
Oh my, what is that? Look, it's right there. Biscuit! Biscuit, where are you?
Have you seen him?
Biscuit, come here, boy. Where could it be? Oh, there it is. Woohoo! Biscuit, there you are. Come here, boy.
Yip, yip.
Woof.
Biscuit, I found you.
Oh, Tommy, we were so worried.
You're safe, both of you. And that's how you know it's locked up safe and sound. Got it!
Look what I made, Biscuit. Wow, Tommy, it's him exactly. He loves it.
Hello there, Tommy.
Hi, it's so nice to see you.
Why don't you come closer?
You just follow this street down 2 blocks, Mijo, until you see the big yellow mailbox.
Okay, I got it. Thank you. The park is just down that street there, dear.
Oh, okay. Got it. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Wow. Yelp! Biscuit, I found you. Hi, Mom.
Really? Oh, thank goodness. I knew it was gonna work out. We'll be right over.
Biscuit, wow, I found you. Whew.
Wow! He's here! I can't believe you're here!
Bark, bark!
Hi, Biscuit.
Oh, there you two are.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. My sweet boy and my cute little Biscuit. Look at that backyard, Tommy. You can play all you want out there.
Really, Mom? Even with Biscuit?
Absolutely. Now go on and have fun, you two. You are such a silly little rascal. Look at that proud little face.
Hey, buddy. How was your day?
Dad, you're home.
Then.
Dad, guess what I found? A huge ant. It was this big.
Wow, that sounds incredible. Tell me more.
And it had stripes and little boots.
Looks like something might have squeezed through here. What is it, Dad? Did something get in?
All right, Tommy. Let's start with this.
Wow, a hammer.
Exactly. Would you like to hold the nails?
Yeah, I'd love to.
Okay, now hold the nail still.
Like this?
Perfect. Now, a little tap to get it started.
Looks good as new, buddy. We make a great team. Yeah, we sure do.
Whoa! Ah.
Dinner's ready, Tommy and Biscuit. Come inside. Welcome home.
Hi, Mom.
We're back.
And look who's here. This pasta is amazing.
I'm glad you like it, sweetie.
Looks like Biscuit is dreaming tonight.
L-O-S-T, not knowing where something is.
I learned a new word today. It's spectacular.
I'm looking. Huh. Searching high and low for something. Where could it be? Ah, there it is. The answer.
Aha! I know the answer.
That's right, sweetie.
Way to go, Tommy.
Dinner was delicious.
Thanks, Mom. I'll help with the dishes.
Good teamwork, you two. All right, buddy, here's your water.
Good job, Tommy. You did it. Feed Biscuit, water, close gate.
Perfect.
That's a great job, Tommy. You did it.
Good boy, Biscuit.
Look, my chart.
It's wonderful, Tommy. So proud of you. All right, Biscuit, ready for your bath?
Yep.
Oh no, you shook. Ruff, ruff, ruff.
Ha! You got me. You're so fluffy, Biscuit. Happy whimper. Almost dry, buddy. Playful yip. There, all clean.
Come on, Biscuit. Good boy. Look at him go. He's so excited. Look, a star. Aw, so pretty. Wow. Race you to the house. Ready? Hey, slow down, little buddy.
Good job, sport. Yeah, it's locked tight.
Time for bed, Biscuit. Arf, arf. Good night, little guy. Good night, sweetie. Night, Mom. Psst, Biscuit. Are you awake? I have a secret.
Lost. Search, search. Found. Safe.
Hey, everyone. We hope you had fun. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video.